Good day mga Kels! Samahan niyo ako sa aking pagbisita sa bayan ng Santa Cruz. Santa Cruz is a municipality in the province of Davao del Sur. According to the 2020 census, it has a population of 101,125 people. The municipality of Santa Cruz is part of Metropolitan Davao at it shares borders with Davao City. Tinagurian din itong oldest town in Mindanao because it was legally created last October 1884. Hindi lahat mapapasyalan ko, kaya tingnan lang natin kung anong kaya sa ating oras. At bago ko makalimutan, big shout out especially to Sir Julius of Department of Tourism ng Santa Cruz, Davao del Sur. At ako ang batang latagaw ng Mindanao na nagsasabing, God is good all the time, all the time.